Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be discussing our range of machines, biggest to smallest, and the capabilities of those machines. So as far as the machines themselves, they're going to provide you the same finish across the board. So whether you go with the micro here, a robotic machine, which is down there, a VH4000, all of our machines are going to provide you the same finish that you're looking for. What this is more about is your needs and what you're needing as far as like your demands, your business, whether you're a hobbyist, because we really make machines that are tailored to you. It's going to be size and features that really make the difference in our machines. So if you look at the micro right here, it's 17 by 13 by 13, really basic machine. It's fully pneumatic, benchtop unit, good for maybe a garage setting where you don't have a lot of space and you're only working on parts maybe a couple days a week, versus let's say our VH2000, which is a 40 by 40 by 40, has all of the upgraded features like your wiper, your 2 internal LED light strips that are 2 feet long, high volume pump, all of the works there, all of the bells and whistles are going to be on that machine. But maybe it's meant for a more industrial setting, maybe a bigger shop, you're looking for more production. So the pricing, the sizing, the features, all of those things are really accustomed to your needs. We're more than happy to help you with any of that. Give the sales team a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.